Welcome back. In this video we will learn about panic statement in Go. Panic is a built-in function that stops the control flow of your program. We use the panic statement to immediately end the execution of the program. If our program reaches a point where it cannot be recovered due to some major errors, it is best to use the panic. It is used when the program reaches a point where it cannot be continued because of the errors. The syntax is pretty simple. We are writing a panic and in the brackets the message. Now let's also print something in the terminal to see how it works. I added two print statements, and as we can see already, Visual Studio Code tells us that the code will not reach here. Let's clear the terminal and run this application. We see the first message, hello, and after we see the panic and the string that we passed as an argument. Here the program is terminated when it reaches to the panic statement. That's why the print statement after the panic is not executed. Panic in the output specifies that the program is terminated due to the panic, and it's the panic message. We can see here the panic and the message that we pass here. When a panic is triggered, the Golang runtime starts checking the stack and executing deferred functions. However, if a deferred function calls the built-in recover function, the panic is stopped and the program continues executing normally. The Go compiler can also invoke a panic. Let's create two variables. Both of them are integers, and I will try to divide by the 0. In the terminal we see that panic runtime error integer divided by the 0. This panic invokes by the Go compiler. Not all panic cases should terminate the program. Some panic cases can be recovered. The recover keyword is used to restore the program from panic errors. Recover is only useful inside the deferred function. In a normal execution, a call to recover will return a nil. Let's write some example. The example is about recover, which is allowed to regain control of a panicking Go routine. It is used to stop the panic and return the value that was passed to the panic call. Here we are adding a panic with the message something went wrong, and also we are deferring function recover panic. Before the panic, the recover panic function will be executed. We will have a call to recover function. So inside our variable, we will have the panic message. In this condition, we are checking if R is not nil, which is the case when we have a panic. So if we don't have a panic, the R will be nil. But in this case, as we have a panic, the R variable will contain something went wrong. And here we are printing that recover from panic and the panic message. So if I will execute the code, I should have a start. I should have recovered from panic right after panic message, and also I will have an end. Let's run the app. And as we can see, start, recovered from the panic and panic message, and the end. That was it about recover and panic. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel.